This is week 5, day 3 of social studies. So here we've got cool Constitution facts. We're doing pages 5 and 6 today. 6. So it says cool Constitution facts. So we're just reading this. It says the men who wrote the Constitution were called framers. George Washington and Ben Franklin were framers. The framers wanted the Constitution to be able to be changed when needed. This is called adding an amendment. So we're going to put that in our brain. We're going to remember that. An amendment is able to be changed. The Constitution is our highest law in our land. So the highest law is the Constitution. Then we look over here and it says, okay, so now I understand what the Constitution does, but how is our government set up? Here it says it is divided into 3 parts or branches. So we've already learned about these. So it says that number 1 is the legislative. It makes laws, so Congress. Number 2 is the judicial. So judicial decides whether laws are fair. So this is our court system. Now, we don't have the executive branch on the worksheets that we're doing today, but Ms. Silker's just going to throw that out there that we have the executive branch, and that sees that the laws are being obeyed. So this is all you have to do for social studies today is read through this, and then we're going to take out all of our colored pencils and you're going to color. So for example, if Miss Silker wanted to color, maybe she'd pull out one of her colored pencils. You can do it in markers, crayons, whatever you've got. And Miss Silker could just color all of these. Yellow here. Remember, we're trying to make it as pretty as we can. So Miss Silker is going to color all of these yellow. And this is what you're going to do for social studies today. Remember, we're not cutting anything out yet because we want to make sure that we don't lose anything. If we have a whole bunch of pieces of paper just kind of floating around, we're not going to be able to do it. So you're just going to sit and you're going to color. And I know that we probably don't want to watch Miss Silker color, so Miss Silker is only going to color this one more. And then she's going to tell you all to have fun and good luck. Miss Silker hopes that when we come back to school and we can finally see each other and Miss Silker gets to look at these packets, Miss Silker can't wait to see how pretty and colorful that you've all made yours. So just go ahead and go through and color it. And as you go through and color it, maybe as you color, you go, the men who wrote the Constitution were called framers, and you put that in your brain. And then you say, George Washington and Ben Franklin were framers. And as you color it, just read it. Try and make it, a memory in your brain.